aspirants, we are providing you the PDF of important current affairs from The Hindu newspaper and the Indian Express in the form of screenshot for the month of November, December, January, February, March, April and May 2021. Most of them are article based, helpful for new pattern and helpful for both prepared and unprepared students. On an average, you will have around 30 important news of every month. It is your onus to prepare notes through this. It is available at a very small amount, which is less than 100 rupees. And the important news like Central Vista Project, Mars Mission, Open Skies Treaty, 25th Amendment, Afghan peace deal, Israel-Palestine conflict, Nepal election, etc. included. The prices are as follows. If you want November December 2020 PDF, it's available at 30 rupees and so on. If you want all the PDF from November to May 2021, we'll provide you at 80 rupees only. So if you are interested, then search @CLAT-PDF1 on Telegram and you'll come across instructions you need to follow to get access to those PDFs. Now let me show you the glimpse of the prepared PDF. You can see the explain section of Indian Express, how Supreme Court cleared New Delhi's Central Vista project. It is one of the most important news that we came across. And here you can see the judges were presiding the bench, and then you can see the litigation over the project and the articles that were mentioned during the hearing, and you can actually extract the important points, and it is your onus to prepare the notes aforementioned. And you can see the challenges on 3 main grounds: change of land use, violation of municipal law and violation of environment law. This is just a glimpse of our prepared PDFs. You can see Sudan signs pact with US on normalizing ties with Israel. You can go for the important points like Abraham Accords and so on. Then we have India to chair UNSC crucial Taliban and Libyan sanctions panel counter terrorism. This is also one of the most important news. And here you can see the important points, and you can, based on that, you can actually prepare your notes. So these are the notes. The representative to the UN ambassador T.S. Tirumurti, sorry. And in this way we have prepared all the PDFs. So if you want, you can actually follow all the instructions that we have already mentioned. Thank you and have a nice day.